Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your TV is connected and signed into the App Store. This matters because updates require network access and account permissions. Once done, open the TV's App Store app and search for Google Chrome or the browser name shown. If you don't see Chrome, make sure your TV model supports it or that Chrome came pre-installed. Also check storage space. Low space will block updates, so clear apps or cache before continuing. Next, navigate to the Chrome app page in the store and inspect the app details. You want to see the current version and update button. If an update button appears, select it and confirm any permissions. The update installs in the background, so keep the TV on. If there's no update but Chrome misbehaves, choose Reinstall to refresh app files. Make sure automatic updates are enabled in store settings so future updates install without manual steps. To finish, restart the TV after the installation. This ensures new files load and extensions initialize. If Chrome still shows the old version or crashes, clear the app cache and data from settings, then reinstall. This fixes corrupted downloads. If the update repeatedly fails, check router firewall or DNS settings and try connecting via Ethernet. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but back up any profiles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.